examines the heroism or sacrifice and psychological effects like trauma in war. The story starts with troops who took part in Operation Scooby and they shoot dogs on purpose in the areas of war zone. As the story goes by, the soldiers navigate the dangers of the combat zone. They quickly make important decisions in dangerous situations while dealing with the mental pressure of their experiences. When the war is over and they got home, they feel disoriented because of their used to the chaos and danger in war. Despite that, they give their best efforts to move on. After their weekend partying in Ireland, the writer is expressing feelings of guilt and reminiscing about their comrades, particularly Ichilots. They also think about their dog, which is Vicar, and a mission called Operation Scooby. They discuss the difficulty of killing people in war and recount a disturbing incident with an insurgent. They remember the fear of encountering a rebel and the difficulty of destroying hostile forces during war. The author's weary and nervous wife reflects on the hardships of combat and the adjustment from military duty to civilian life. The story ends with the person frozen, unable to go through with their plan. In Fallujah, a rebel snuck through the perimeter and disappeared. The Marines panicked, but Curtis found the insurgent floating in a water filled with liquid. The Marines fired into the insurgent, but the Marines, including the Marine, were left to focus on Vicar. The Marines had an AR-15 and were trained to shoot the target correctly. They focused on Vicar and the sights, but Vicar disappeared into a grey blur. The Marines had to fire 3 shots, one to the body and one to the head. The first 2 shots had to be fired quickly. As the body is mostly water, the bullets can tear organs apart. The Marine shoot Vicar through his chest and skull, each shot coming quickly after the last, so he could recover. The Marines stayed there staring at the sights, and Vicar was a blur of grey and black, unsure of what to do with his body.